Sunshine out there again today, but these cooler temperatures there, and I keep forgetting, I always leave my coat in the car, and I always regret it when I have to leave this building.
Seriously, and especially if you leave at night, right? This morning was just brutal with the temperatures, but we are expecting a warming trend over the next couple of days, so something to look forward to. Probably won't need the jacket by the time we get to Saturday, but definitely still want it right now. Not for rain, though. What we're seeing on satellite and radar, just a little bit of cloud cover kind of building in from the west this afternoon. And when we widen the view east of I-35 and then kind of into East Texas, that's where we're seeing generally the clearer skies right now. But we at least have some high, thin clouds moving in from the west, expecting partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies overnight. So we look at our Dallas sky cam right now, and there it is. It's just very thin cloud cover way up in the atmosphere, 50 degrees right now, a calm wind in Dallas. Dallas is actually one of the warmer spots right now, sitting at 50 degrees. Kind of crazy to say that, right? Especially when we should be in the mid and upper 50s for this time of year. 50 in Corsicana and Athens, Mineola and Tyler sitting at 52. Remember, they have a little bit more sunshine right now, but everyone else kind of sitting in the mid and upper 40s. A few spots with wind chills in the low 40s right now. So it's chilly. It's going to remain chilly into tonight. By 9 o'clock, you see temperatures at about 43 degrees. Now let's talk about what we're expecting for tomorrow morning. Not nearly as cold as what we got earlier today. The low this morning was 27 degrees. That actually ties with January 12th for the coldest morning of the year so far. We're only at the end of January, but it was definitely cold, especially considering we should be at about 36 degrees for that low this time of year. So we all had to bundle up this morning. I think we're going to be a little bit closer to average as we get to Friday morning, thanks in part to the clouds and our winds kind of transitioning back to the south. So you look at temperatures for Friday morning, right in that 36-degree range when we get to Dallas and Fort Worth, 34 in McKinney, 33 in Denton, maybe up to 38 degrees in Corsicana. Not too bad there. Tomorrow we get up to 60 degrees. I think we've got partly cloudy to partly sunny skies, but the warming trend, it's finally beginning. South winds at 10 to 20 miles an hour, so up to 60 degrees. And then Saturday, I'll even take the rain if we have to deal with temperatures in the low 70s. It has to do with that westerly wind. So let's talk about this system. Coming in from the Pacific, and we notice more cloud cover into Friday night, maybe a few spotty showers in the overnight time frame. But here we are at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. on Saturday, and we're especially seeing some of those light scattered showers north of I-20. Now, we get to midday, and the rain is a little more consistent to the east of I-35. But by the time we get to 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the rain is done with us, the clouds are clearing, and temperatures are still in the low 70s because that cold air hasn't arrived just yet. It does arrive as we get into the overnight, though. You kind of see those winds transition back to the north-northwest, and that means that for Sunday, even though we are sunny, it's going to be a beautiful looking day. Temperature's a little bit cooler, though it is seasonal for this time of year to be around 57 degrees, so we'll have to deal with that, but we get the sunshine along with it. Now, the rain that we're getting on Saturday with this frontal system, it's not much. Our Red River counties may be getting closer to 1/4 of an inch of rain. There will be some spots, especially west of I-35, that don't see much of anything. So we're not adding a ton of rain to the January totals. We've seen just about 3/4 of an inch of rain in January. And then by the time we get to Monday, that's February 1st. And we're back to mostly sunny skies on Monday with a high of 60 degrees, 61 on Tuesday, and up to 70 for next Wednesday with partly cloudy skies. Next chance for rain is going to be Thursday of next week. You've got mostly cloudy skies, a high of 65 degrees, and a